How to send video as document in WhatsApp. So if you want to send a video as document on your WhatsApp, just because you don't want the video to lose its quality, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to send video as document in WhatsApp, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp app and then select the chat where you want to send the video as document. Once open the chat, go ahead and click on the clip icon. Then select document from the menu that comes up. Instead of selecting gallery, make sure to select document. Then here, you want to browse where the video is. You can just choose from gallery, scroll through the gallery and then select the video you want to set as document. Then you should see the video just like this, and it's going to be in MP4 format in a document file. Then you can add a caption. Then here I'm going to say, I'm sending this video as a document. Then go ahead and click on the send button. Then you should see the video sent as document here. And once the video is sent successfully and the recipient open it, then it's going to see the video, but it's going to receive it as a document format, but it's going to open in MP4 format. So that is basically how to send video as document in WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.